Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today I've got something that we all use, and it's probably one of the most boring things to review here on the channel, but it's necessary. And this power adapter goes up to 140 watts. And I've done a lot of tests, probably more than I should, and I'll share them just in a few seconds. Now, before we move on, don't forget to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is B&H Software, a platform that we have been using for the past few months to get Windows 10, Windows 11 Home Edition, Pro Edition budget keys. I will leave a link down below with a coupon code, and we also got Office 2021. We have seen the process, we have tested, and the platform works really nice. Now, something that works also really nice is this power adapter, and unfortunately I don't have a machine capable of extracting the 140 watts available on it. Now, it has two ports. One is USB Type-C, which will go up to 140 watts, and the other one is USB Type-A, so we will be able to use those two kinds of connections. Now, I didn't read the specifications before I started testing, so I thought I could extract 140 on the USB Type-C and 140 right over here, total of 140, so that would mean that probably I would be limited 70 or something like that. But no, after doing a lot of tests, after testing a lot of cables, using the EcoFlow right over here, which at this moment probably is discharged, and I will need to put it connected to my solar panels, and trying with a few laptops, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, a Windows machine, tablet Android, a mini computer with Windows, and a Samsung phone. And at the end, I got to the point that the USB Type-A is quick charging, but with the limit of 18 watts. So that is the maximum that I will be able to get from the USB Type-A right over here. And I was doing all sorts of tests. So what I could achieve at this moment was roughly 65 watts, 65 more or less, with my MacBook Pro, which is the maximum that the laptop will get. And I was getting roughly 16 to 17 more or less, or 18, something like that, on the USB Type-A. So this means that to take full advantage of this powerful power adapter right over here, we need a laptop which is more powerful than mine. Mine has this maximum of 60 watts, but we have tested a few laptops here on the channel, like the Asus F15, which was a beast. That could be a great example for this power adapter right over here, which could replace that bulky original power adapter that the laptop has. And with this smaller power adapter, then we could deliver 140 watts, which would be great. And that is it. These are the tests that I did, more than I should, because this is limited at 18 watts. So quick charge, if we put any device available with quick charge, it will charge it fast, but the other one on the top is the one that you want to plug in if you have a powerful machine. That being said, I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check out all the specifications, prices, and whatnot. In terms of the color, I really enjoy in white. The design is nice, great build quality, heavy, so I do believe that inside, although I don't know, inside it has good components. And that is it. Hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.